Avocado oil is a healthy cooking oil made from the fruit of the avocado tree. It's green and it has a smooth texture. Many people like it because it has a mild flavor that doesn't overpower other foods. One of the best things about avocado oil is its health benefits. It is rich in good fats called monounsaturated fats, which can help keep your heart healthy. These fats can lower bad cholesterol and raise good cholesterol levels. Avocado oil also contains vitamins like vitamin E, which is good for your skin. And you can use avocado oil for many types of cooking. It has a high smoke point, which means it doesn't burn easily when heated. So this makes it great for frying, roasting, and grilling. So you could use it in salads, salad dressings, or to drizzle over vegetables or added flavor. So basically, some other popular brands of avocado oils include Chosen Foods, Nutiva, California Oil. When choosing these avocado oils, look for the extra virgin avocado oil. This type is made from the first pressing of the fruit and has the best flavor and nutrients. Always check the label to make sure it's pure and not mixed with other oils. In summary, avocado oil is tasty and very much healthy, and really a wise cooking choice. So yeah, the brands I recommended, I am putting them in the description.